Number 1.
1986 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, featuring an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine that provides impressive performance for its size. Finished in a clean gray exterior with a matching gray interior, the truck runs on gasoline and offers a balanced combination of classic style and upgraded power. It is reported to run and drive well, making it a dependable option for both casual use and weekend cruising. The heating system is fully functional, while the air conditioning system is currently inoperative. Despite this, the overall driving experience remains comfortable and enjoyable. The truck stands out for its exceptionally clean condition, being described as rust-free and well-maintained throughout, which is increasingly rare for a vehicle of this age. However, due to an engine swap and other modifications, the actual mileage of the vehicle is unknown.
Number 2.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,800, powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience. With 170,000 miles on the odometer, the truck remains in great running condition and drives excellently, with no known mechanical issues. It features a striking red exterior complemented by a clean black interior, and it runs on gasoline. The air conditioning and heating systems both function properly, and all major components are in good working order. This vehicle has been owned by a single owner since new, reflecting consistent care and responsible ownership throughout its life. It has been garage kept and well looked after, which is evident in its overall condition. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. The truck has accumulated 199,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gray exterior paired with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. This truck is powered by a 5.0L Vortec V8 engine mated to a 4L60E automatic transmission, delivering strong performance. It runs and drives great, with a solid engine and transmission. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and the vehicle is completely rust-free, finished in a gray metallic paint. Inside, it has durable rubber flooring along with manual windows and locks, and the windows are tinted at 20%. All components are reported to be in working condition, and it also includes a new bed cover. The truck has been driven 200 miles without any issues, though it will need new tires and an alignment.
Number 4.
1988 GMC 3500, price $5,500, with only 19,000 miles on the odometer. It has received numerous upgrades and replacements, including a new power steering pump, alternator, belt, carburetor, HEI distributor, plug wires, starter, and starter cables. The original factory TBI system and distributor are still included, and all wiring remains uncut, preserving its integrity. The engine is notably clean internally and has been fitted with ARP head studs, indicating careful attention to durability and performance. While the air conditioning compressor is still in place, it has not yet been tested. The windshield has recently been replaced, and significant effort has been invested into improving both the interior and exterior condition of the truck. The interior is close to completion, and the doors have been upgraded using components from a 1994 model.
Number 5.
1987 Mazda B2000, price $3,500. The truck comes with a gray exterior and is equipped with a manual transmission. It has recorded approximately 170,000 miles, although the odometer has stopped working, so the exact mileage can no longer be verified. The vehicle is reported to run and drive, making it a solid starting point for someone looking for a project truck or a budget-friendly classic pickup. However, it does show signs of rust and will require some work and attention to bring it into better condition. Overall, this Mazda B2000 is best suited for buyers who are willing to put in some effort, whether for restoration, daily use with repairs, or as a parts/project truck. It also comes with spare parts included, which can help support ongoing maintenance or future improvements.
Number 6.
2000 Ford F350, price $3,300. It has traveled 225,000 miles, features an automatic transmission, and comes in a blue exterior. Despite its age, the truck remains in good condition overall and continues to perform well. The vehicle has a clean title and has been well maintained. It offers both cold air conditioning and heating, along with a Bluetooth-enabled radio for added convenience. The interior is clean and well kept, while the body is in good shape with only minor signs of everyday use consistent with its age. Mechanically, both the engine and transmission are strong, with no leaks reported, and the 4x4 system is fully functional, providing dependable traction. The truck also includes a fifth spare tire with an emergency kit. The seller notes that the truck runs and drives smoothly, making it an excellent option for work purposes.
Number 7.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800, having traveled only 83,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine, paired with a 2WD drivetrain. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a black interior, offering a clean and well-maintained appearance throughout. This vehicle has been owned by a single owner and maintained as part of a fleet, ensuring consistent servicing and care. It runs and drives like new, with several recent updates including new tires, a new battery, new brakes, and a recent service. The air conditioning system functions properly and blows cold air. Additionally, the truck is fitted with a practical ladder rack system, making it suitable for work or utility use.
The body and underside are in very clean condition overall.
There is only minor rust present on the rear passenger side wheel area, while the rocker panels remain spotless.
Number 8.
1989 Ford F350, price $9,000, well-maintained diesel truck that has traveled 178,000 miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and 2WD drivetrain. It features a gray exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a classic and distinctive look. Powered by a 7.3L IDI diesel engine with a Banks turbo system, this truck delivers reliable performance and durability. Mechanically, the vehicle is in solid condition with no known issues. It starts, runs, and drives smoothly, and has been used as a daily driver. It sits on a set of 4 good Cooper tires, ensuring dependable road handling. The interior remains in very good shape overall, with only minor wear on the driver's seat and no rips, tears, or stains present.
All gauges are functional except for the fuel gauge. Number 9. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,700, powered by a reliable 5.7L 350 V8 engine. It features a dual exhaust system that enhances both performance and sound, along with a Beltec suspension setup that improves its stance and overall driving feel. The cabin bed are rust-free, which is a significant advantage for a truck of this age and adds to its long-term value. The truck starts and runs strong most of the time, showing the durability these engines are known for, although it occasionally runs a bit rough and may benefit from minor tuning or maintenance. It is also noted that the air conditioning system is currently not working.
Overall, this Sierra 1500 offers a solid combination of performance, condition, and desirable upgrades, making it a great candidate for a daily driver, project truck, or classic pickup enthusiast.
Number 10.
1997 GMC 1500, price $5,000, well-used yet capable pickup with 207,000 miles on the odometer. This is a 2WD truck powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine, and it comes equipped with new tires, along with recently replaced spark plugs and wires. The vehicle runs and drives great overall, though it may occasionally run a bit rough at times. It includes 2 sets of rims, 20-inch wheels and the original 15-inch stock rims, both fitted with new tires. The truck carries a salvage title due to previous hail damage, but it continues to run strong for the most part, making it a solid option for someone looking for a dependable, budget-friendly pickup.